Every day, that fire inside you gets snuffed out bit by bit. You start another morning drowning in the same noise: emails, meetings, empty promises from systems built to chain you, not free you. The people around you celebrate good enough, but you feel it. The unbearable itch, the gnawing rage that there's something more, something huge locked behind this grey wall of mediocre comfort and fake freedom. You know that traditional paths are traps dressed as highways. You ache because you're not just another face in the crowd. You're meant to break the mold, but frustration, it's eating you alive. You're isolated, misunderstood, surrounded by illusions telling you, play safe, fit in, relax. But that's poison, and you can feel it. Hear this now. The ambition that drives breakthrough innovators, true founders who do not settle, is born in this exact fire. It comes from a savage refusal to accept the lies spoon-fed by old systems claiming to empower you while shackling your spirit. The world doesn't want you to create the future. It wants you trapped in its comfort zones, where ideas die quietly and boldness disappears. Yet, the people who break through, they do not obey these limits. They see every rule as a challenge to crush, every supposed limit as a starting point to leap further, harder, faster. Here's what no one tells you. Breakthrough ambition isn't fueled by comfort or stability. It's fueled by relentless discomfort, by obsession with tearing down every illusion that says you're less, lesser, or small. To feel this fire grow, to harness it without burning out, you must become dangerously clear about your reality. Drop every comforting lie. Ignore the crowd shouting for you to go slow, stay quiet, don't rock the boat. Instead, dig deep. Study, question, dismantle every assumption you ever had about the possible. This is your real work. Map the invisible walls society puts up, not to surrender to them, but to explode through them. Step 1. Stop chasing validation, especially from the system or from norms that thrive on stifling greatness. Validation is a trap that dulls your edge. Instead, obsess over truth. Find the cold, hard facts about your market, your users, your limits, then double down. No excuses. No emotional shortcuts. Step 2. Build your tribe, but not a crowd. You need a network that's sharp, strategic, and rare. People who don't just nod along, but challenge you, push you into unknown territories, and complement your strengths with their unique fire. This isn't social media followers. This is brutal synergy. If you can't find that, start creating it. Reach out, connect boldly, craft alliances that shift power, not just noise. Step 3. Make your mission your anchor and your sword. Your vision can't be change for the sake of change. That's fluff and distraction. It must be a deep, unshakable call to transcend reality's limits, the boundaries placed by fear, by fatalism, by inherited weakness. If you don't believe your work uproots the impossible, you'll crumble the moment challenge storms in. Step 4. No shortcuts. No hacks that shave time, but kill meaning. Breakthrough innovators survive because they grind through the hard scars no one else wants. They build systems of relentless merit, earning power again and again. They don't wait for permission. They don't lean on legacy or identity. They own their power with every breath. Finally, embrace the paradox. To lead the break, you must be fiercely individual, owning your truth, and simultaneously connected, open, and diverse. This tension is power. It challenges old tribes, old certainties, old borders. And that's where real innovation lives, in the clash and fusion of difference, not in safety or sameness. So quit pretending this is easy. Quit hoping the world will hand you freedom. It won't. But you hold the key. Your ambition isn't a problem. It's a gift. It's the crack in the world's illusions. Fuel it with relentless truth. Build alliances that spark eruption, and a mission so strong it makes impossibility tremble. That's how you become more. That's how you break through. No one will hand you the future. You have to snatch it from the chaos with both hands and never let go.